Today I'm going to show you how to make the pages for the Csec art journal.
Arts Workfly.
If you want the most out of your artist paper, I believe you should turn it this way, which is portrait, then flip it over, then you can find the half of it. Alright, so that is the half. But if you have the cash to buy a lot of artist paper, you can do so. But if you don't have the cash, then you can make the most out of your artist paper. So where I mark that line, I'm just going to cut it straight ahead. Give your journal time to dry. So this is one of the best ways to do it. Now if you do it like this, too much is going to pile up and it's going to eventually come out, so therefore you would have to cut the pages a bit smaller. You have to do it small, so not too much. If you're going to do it like this, not too much. So portrait size, fold it, find the half, and how you can find the half without using the ruler. This is just to fold it and ensure that the sides or the edges matches up. Open it up, use your scissors and you cut. So now I have 4 out of 2 artist papers. So you can mix them to make it seem as if it's a lot and it's more colorful. So out of 11 artist papers, I have 44 sheets and 88 pages, that is back and front. So if you buy 10 artist papers, 10 colored artist papers, you will be able to get 80 pages. So that is it for today. Be sure to watch the next video to see ways you can put in the journal pages. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe and hit the bell so you can always know when I upload.